Hi everyone, this is Peter from Cafe Umbria, and what we want to do today is to go over some basic milk steaming tips for you. Before we do that, I wanted to show you some things that are useful to know about milk steaming. First of all, this is your steam on valve, on and off. Before you steam milk and after, we want you to purge the steam one because vapor builds up here, and we don't want that vapor to enter your milk. So before you steam, just purge. Give it a little squirt, gets the steam out. Don't be afraid of steam. Just don't touch the steam one. It gets quite hot. You can burn yourself. Just use the rubber or the little clip sometimes steam ones have to maneuver the steam one. Second thing we like to have is a good steam cloth available, and I like folding it sort of flatly so that when I wipe, I can do one grip, wipe quickly. And we also recommend you putting it on a little plate so it's not touching the counter. Food Safe would like it off, so it's designated for the steam one. Lastly, I need you to know your steam jugs because if you want to do latte art or if you don't want to waste too much milk, you need to know what measurements are in your steam jug. So for example, in my particular steam jug, I know what a 16-ounce latte, what a 12-ounce latte, where it should fill up to. So get to know your steam jugs, whatever you're using. Lastly, we recommend whole milk. So 3.25 to 3.5% fat content is what we're looking for. I want to show you a couple quick steps to get good foam for a latte or a cappuccino. What we would like, I'm going to show you a quick method. First, Top by Pasquale, one of our partners, and I like that it's quick and easy to learn. So get your cold milk and pour the amount you need. And in this case, I poured about that much there, and I'm going to steam it up to there. And for a latte, what Pasquale does is he just gets the steam on in the steam jug so that steam tip is submerged by milk, just that much. And then once you turn it on, I'm going to tip the steam jug out for about 2 seconds and then send it back in. And that will be all I need for my latte. So here I go. And when it's too hot to my touch, I'm going to then at that point turn it off. That's going to be around 140 Fahrenheit. Now for some people that's not hot enough. So if you're in an area where people like it hotter, then once it's too hot to your touch, I would count to 2 or 3 steamboats to get it up to 150. So here we go. So turn on, full blast, 1, 2, and send it back in. And so it's pretty straightforward. I'm holding it to my hand and it's getting a little warm out, so I'm letting go and I'm going to turn off. And then get this and wipe. So I wipe my steam on first, and then I purge again. Purge out. Now if you take a close look at my milk, I've got like 2, 3 bubbles there, and I don't want any bubbles. So what you do is you just knock it out and give it a little swirl, circular motion, and then you have this nice glossy milk that you can do a latte with. And that's perfect latte foam. I started that much, has that much foam in there. Great. Now I'd like to show you how to do a cappuccino very quickly. Once again, I have my cold milk here, and I'm going to get my steam tip in there under the milk, just so the steam tip is submerged. Once it's submerged, I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to tip it for about 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to send it back in until it heats up. Okay, that will be your cappuccino. It's quite simple. So here we go. We're going to turn it on. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then send it back in. And that's your cappuccino. And cappuccino, once it's too hot, you shut it off, like right there. That was quick and easy. Get my steam cloth again, wipe it. Get my steam on, purge it. I'm done there. And notice I have a few more bubbles here, so I don't want bubbles. So I'm just going to knock this out. And there you go. There's your beautiful cappuccino foam. So And I've just doubled the amount of foam I have with 5 seconds of stretching. So it's that easy, folks. Hope you have good success with that. And we look forward to doing on-site trainings with you. Thank you.